Encountering a device cannot be activated error on Simple Mobile can be frustrating. This error typically arises when you're trying to activate a phone on their network. Simple Mobile, owned by T-Mobile, is a prepaid carrier, so activation issues usually stem from a few key areas: IMEI blacklisting, SIM card problems, or account-related issues. Let's break these down. First, the IMEI is a unique identifier for your phone. If the phone was reported lost or stolen, it might be on a blacklist, preventing activation on any network due to FCC regulations. Second, SIM card issues can occur if your SIM is incompatible, damaged, or not properly inserted. A valid T-Mobile compatible SIM is crucial. Finally, account problems, like unpaid balances or eligibility restrictions, can also block activation. You need an account in good standing to activate your device on Simple Mobile. Let's troubleshoot and fix the device cannot be activated error on Simple Mobile. We'll go through each potential issue systematically. First, check your phone's IMEI status. Every device has a unique IMEI number that identifies it globally. If your phone was reported lost or stolen, it might be blacklisted. Contact Simple Mobile support at 1-877-258-7761 to verify the IMEI status. If it's blacklisted, you'll need to resolve the issue with the original carrier or, if stolen, with law enforcement. Unfortunately, no carrier can override a global IMEI blacklist due to FCC regulations. Next, verify your SIM card. Simple Mobile uses the T-Mobile network, so only T-Mobile compatible SIMs work. Make sure the SIM is correctly inserted and not damaged. If you suspect an issue, you can get a free replacement SIM directly from Simple Mobile. SIM cards have evolved significantly over the years, from large mini-SIMs to tiny eSIMs that are embedded in the device. Third, check your account status. Simple Mobile requires your account to be in good standing for activation. Verify there are no unpaid balances, credit restrictions, or other account issues. If you have any outstanding payments or restrictions, resolve them before attempting activation. Fourth, use Simple Mobile's activation methods. You can activate through their mobile app, website, or by calling customer support. As of 2025, Simple Mobile has updated its activation portal with improved diagnostics and AI-powered chatbots to assist with troubleshooting. These tools can help identify and resolve issues more efficiently. Remember that activation errors can occur on both Android and iOS devices, as well as during eSIM setups. Finally, focus on prevention. Always purchase unlocked, verified devices and check IMEI status before buying to avoid future activation headaches. As of 2025, Simple Mobile incorporates AI-driven verification systems that can detect and flag suspicious devices during activation. Looking ahead, by 2030, traditional physical SIM cards may be completely phased out as eSIM technology becomes universal across all devices.